Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to connect Google TV to Wi-Fi using Quick Connect QR code. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. We are using the Google TV Streamer 4K device, but these steps could be applicable for other updated Google TV devices too. Our Google TV OS provides a lot of interesting features, and some of them are inspired by their very own Android OS, the ones we see on our smartphone and tablet. Generally, if we want to connect our Google TV to the Wi-Fi, then we should have an active internet connection on our home or office, and we should know the Wi-Fi network name and password for that. Then we can take our Google TV remote and go to Settings, then go to Network and Internet, and here we can see all the available Wi-Fi networks. We can select the one we want and we can enter the password here, or if it is not showing, then we can go back and we can add new network and enter all the details manually. Then it should be connected. But Google also made this simple by giving the Quick Connect option. To do this, we should already have this Wi-Fi connection enabled on our smartphone. After that, we can go to Quick Connect and select this. Then we will get this big QR code on the screen. Now we can take our smartphone and make sure it is already connected to the required Wi-Fi network. Then we can go to Settings, Wi-Fi, and here at the top we have this Scan QR code option. On some smartphone models, this interface might be a bit different. Most of the modern smartphones or Android versions will have this feature. So we just have to select this and then point this to the screen and choose device here. And now here we will get this pop-up. Add a Google TV Streamer 4K to the Wi-Fi network name. Here we have to select Add Device. Connecting to the network name, connected successfully. That's all. We can see the indication here and now it is connected. That's all we have to do. Sometimes we might get errors like failed to add device. In such cases, we have to reload this QR code. We can do that, or we can try to disconnect and connect the Wi-Fi on our smartphone, and we can do this. We got this error like 2 times, and after that only it got connected. These are the steps to connect our Google TV device to internet Wi-Fi using Quick Connect QR code. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.